Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm trying a few things here. I don't really know what I'm doing, but this is my black mission fig that I've had since last season. Well, almost 2 years. I brought it in last fall and overwintered it in the basement. You know, I'm in zone 6A and I'm afraid to put these in the ground yet anyway. So I had it in this container here, and it has outgrown that. So I think to overwinter it, I took it out and I have the 5-gallon bucket for now. That'll be good just to overwinter it, I'm thinking. I hope. I am not ready to put these in the ground because I don't want them to die, but I don't have any figs yet. But as you can see, these roots, it's heavy too. Let me see if I can lift it. These roots, oh, yeah, I don't want to break it. Anywho, I'm going to break that soil up. I've already put some soil down in there from another pot that I had, and then I'm going to use this. This is the cocoa core with the perlite, vermiculite, the seashell, what was it, crab legs and mussels that I ground up, eggshells, coffee grinds. So it's a lot of fertilizer in there, and I'm going to put that all around to pack this in and get this thing ready for the fall or for the winter. I can leave it out here for a while, but I'm just getting it ready so I can bring it in and put it in my basement and overwinter it and bring it back out. Think about putting my figs in the ground next year. I'm going to do some more research. I'm just not really sure. I don't want to lose them. If I have to put them in tubs next year, I'll do that as opposed to losing my figs. What is that little ugly thing up there? Oh my gosh, I don't know what that thing is. Yuck. You gotta go. So anywho, that's what I'm doing right now. Hope it works for me. Thanks for watching. So here she is, compared to what she was in. She should be able to grow a lot better in this 5-gallon bucket. For now, I think I'm going to move her to my front porch for these few months. I got a few more months before I have to actually bring my plants in. But it's been dropping down this past week in the evening down to the 40s and 30 even one night, and the days are like 60, 70 degrees. But I hear we're going to get a heat wave again, so I'm not going to bring them in yet. I'm thinking before that first frost, which will probably be, I don't know, I have to check the almanac, but around, I don't know, November, end of November, maybe 1st of December. I'm not sure. I don't know how long I'm going to leave her out, but I definitely don't want her to die on me. I mean, unalive. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you would do. Tell me if I've done things right. I did put some mulch. I don't know if I mentioned that. I put some straw, hay, straw on there. And then now I'm going to see what I'm going to do with this other fig over here. Now these are babies from Martika. They're black missions. I'm going to leave those in there. I'm just going to put some mulch here. That definitely can go in the house. Not yet, but it will. But this is my Chicago Hardy, and it's doing pretty good. But of course there's no figs, and I've had this for 2 years. Almost 2 years. 2 seasons. And so this pot, I'm thinking maybe I need to get something to transplant this into. But I might just wait until next year. Next season. Put some mulch around here and let this just sit here until it's time to bring these figs into my basement, and then figure it out next season if I'm going to put the bigger ones in the ground. I want figs. I definitely want figs. So I've got to take care of them the best way I know for zone 6A. If you have any hints, tips, information you can give me, please let me know. And what's going on with my babies here? I was told they don't like a lot of sun, so I put them in the shade. She's doing a little bit better, but there's damage here. And I can't let her go because Martika has gone on. didn't survive, and these are her babies that I, what do you call it when you cut them off? Pulp, that word. I did that to those. Got some roots on them and planted them. Can't think of it now. Anywho, I'm babbling. Peace and love. Take care. Give me information, please.